everybody, this is Josh from Lano Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to set up units in your garage on Kubota's all-new online parts ordering platform, which is called Kcom. So hopefully you already have all of your information typed in as far as ship-to addresses go and contact information. So at the home page here, we are going to want to set up our garage, which is in the left-hand corner here. We will click that button. And we don't have any units saved yet, so we will go ahead and add our Kubota tractor. So obviously the brand is going to be Kubota. You can pick Land Pride or Great Plains if you do have those pieces of equipment. So now we're going to want to type in the LX2610, which is the tractor that we will be adding to our garage. Now we'll enter the unit serial number. Once again, if you have a 17-character serial number, only enter the last 5 characters of that unit. Going to be 34218, and we will give it a nickname of Farm Tractor. Now we will search for our model, and there it is right there, the first one, LX2610. We will click on that. Now this will save it to your garage, and it'll have the model, serial number, and there's a nice little feature where you can actually add a picture of your exact tractor just to give it a little bit more of a homey personal feeling. So now if we go back to our home page up here, we can see that in the drop down here, there is our tractor that we added. Now you can add multiple units and you would select it from the drop down here. Now we are ready to go ahead and start shopping. We can pick whichever diagram we're looking for, start adding parts to our cart, and go ahead and place the order. If you do have any questions, feel free to give Lano Equipment a call, and we can definitely help you out. We hope you really enjoyed this new feature.